Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix running boards on a Ford Expedition. First, identify the specific problem, whether it's a stuck power board or a loose stationary one. Gather all necessary tools, such as wrenches, a jack, and penetrating oil. Always ensure your vehicle is safely supported on a level surface with jack stands before you begin any work underneath it. Many running board issues stem from loose fasteners or debris. Check all mounting bolts and brackets for damage or looseness. Tighten any loose bolts using the appropriate wrench. For power running boards that are stuck, often the hinges are gummed up with dirt and rust. Liberally spray the hinge pivot points with a penetrating lubricant like WD-40 or PB Blaster to free them up. If brackets are bent, you might be able to straighten them with a vise and hammer. However, severely rusted or broken components often require replacement. You can purchase new mounting hardware or entire running board assemblies. When replacing parts, always ensure they are specifically designed for your Ford Expedition model to guarantee proper fit and function. Some power running board motors can also be replaced if lubrication doesn't resolve the issue. To prevent future problems, regularly inspect your running boards for any signs of wear, loose bolts, or corrosion. Keep the mounting points and hinges clean, especially if you drive in areas with salt or dirt. Lubricate power running board hinges every few months or more often in harsh conditions, using a penetrating oil followed by a dry lubricant. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.